Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest insights and detailed reviews. Today, we've got something that's going to light up the holiday season: the best Christmas Hot Wheels Toy Cars Holiday Edition Pack. This is the 2023 Hot Wheels Advent Calendar, a festive countdown gift set designed for both kids and collectors. It's more than just a calendar, it's an experience packed with excitement, creativity, and storytelling potential. As we open the box, you're greeted with a colorful, well-designed holiday-themed package. Inside, you'll find 24 numbered doors, each hiding a unique surprise to unveil every day leading up to Christmas. This keeps the holiday spirit alive and buzzing with anticipation. Whether you're a child waking up each morning to a new toy, or a collector savoring the mystery of what's behind each panel, the joy of discovery is at the heart of this product. Now, let's dive into what you actually get. This Advent calendar includes 8 Hot Wheels vehicles, all in the classic 1:64 scale. These are real die-cast cars, not just plastic fillers, featuring the bold designs and colorful detail that the Hot Wheels brand is known for. They're not holiday-themed in a cheesy way. Instead, they maintain the aesthetic Hot Wheels fans love while subtly tying into the winter celebration. But it doesn't stop at cars. There are also 16 winter-themed accessories included, like snowplows, street cones, and trees, all of which enhance the imaginative play. This gives kids the chance to create their own snowy street scenes or racing environments using their newly collected vehicles. It's storytelling made tactile, and that's where Hot Wheels really shines, encouraging independent, creative play. Another thoughtful inclusion is the fold-out playmat. This isn't just a throwaway bonus, it's a printed track with holiday visuals, providing a fun setting where kids can stage their own winter races or festive vehicle lineups. The mat helps turn any tabletop or floor space into a vibrant play zone, instantly. The entire set is made of sturdy plastic and quality materials. It's age-rated for kids 3 and older, making it a great entry point for younger children just starting to explore vehicle play, as well as for older kids and collectors who appreciate seasonal exclusives. And if you're thinking of gifting, this is perfect. The packaging, contents, and countdown design make it a festive and memorable gift, especially for families who like to build holiday traditions. Another highlight is the balance between play and collectibility. This isn't just a throwaway toy that gets forgotten after the holidays. Many of the cars can join a long-term Hot Wheels collection, and the accessories are versatile enough to be reused in other playsets or seasonal displays. At the time of this video, this specific edition is a little harder to find on the Amazon main listing, but keep an eye out for the available buying options or check similar items from the Hot Wheels Advent Calendar line. There are other yearly editions as well, but the set stands out for its accessory variety, car selection, and overall presentation. So, wrapping it up, the Hot Wheels Advent Calendar is a festive blend of surprise, creativity, and collectible value. Whether you're a parent looking to build up excitement for the holidays, or a collector hunting for a unique addition to your shelf, this Advent Calendar hits the mark. For just a few minutes each day in December, it brings joy, wonder, and of course, some very cool wheels. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what Advent calendars you're eyeing this season. Until next time, happy holidays and keep collecting.